Hello people, in this video let us look at this topic laryngocele. And basically this is seen usually in people who blow trumpet, or people who blow glass, or people who do weightlifting. So basically if their transglottic air pressure is so high, then it can lead to a laryngocele. Let us look at what this laryngocele is. Laryngocele basically can be congenital also. In congenital lesions of larynx, we have seen this laryngocele, if you remember. Go to congenital lesions of larynx. See here, we have seen laryngocele. It comes under congenital lesions also. And it is coming under acquired also. In benign tumors of larynx, you can see non-neoplastic. Under cystic, you have laryngocele. So it can be in both, right? Congenital and acquired. So this is showing how an external laryngocele looks like. Just look at this. See, this is an external laryngocele. You can see here like a air-filled cyst. This is an air-filled cyst, like a balloon, right? And this is compressible. Okay, the external one is compressible, but on coughing and on Valsalva, it will increase size. So what is happening here? Because of the pressure, right? There is dilatation of the laryngeal saccule, and that dilatation can extend between thyroid cartilage and the ventricle. So here they are showing you whatever earlier was like this. See here, normal was like this on this side. On the right side, you can see normal, right? Now this is getting, here it has become so big, air-filled, it has gone even out. So here you have an external part and an internal part. So this is kind of a mixed laryngocele. It has external and internal part. Okay. So this, how will you treat? You will have to, if it is external, you will have to external excise it. If it is internal, you can do some laryngoscopy, etc. We'll look at that. First of all, look at this ventricle and the sinus, where exactly we are. So here you can see the larynx, right? This is the laryngeal ventricle, right? And there they have shown what is called as the saccule. So this is the one that will dilate, right? And it will go like this, like a balloon. So this ventricle is also called as sinus. It is a space between the vestibular and the vocal folds. That is the false folds and the true folds, isn't it? What do you think? Saccule is a diverticulum of mucous membrane. When abnormally enlarged, this will form a laryngocele, air-containing sac. So we told you there can be either an internal or an external or a combined or a mixed laryngocele. If it is internal, what will happen? It will be inside the larynx, and it can present as a distension of folds called array epiglottic fold. So there will be foreign body sensation, hoarseness of voice, etc., etc. If it is a big one, then it can even obstruct the airway. External, when the saccule herniates through the thyroid membrane, and then it will present in the neck, which you saw in that guy. If you compress, it will reduce in size. That is called as Bryce sign. It seems Bryce sign. Mixed means both internal and external component. This external laryngocele, we told you, you can reduce size of this, right? Compress it. But that external laryngocele size will increase if the person coughs or he performs a Valsalva. How will you diagnose? You will do an indirect laryngoscopy, or you will take views, anterior, posterior view and lateral view of the neck, probably with X-ray, right? That's what they are mentioning here. And also you can do CT scan. So they're saying with Valsalva, they're taking some neck views. Okay. Then how will you treat? You will, if it is external neck incision. If it is an internal laryngocele, they're going laryngoscopy and doing something called as a marsupialization, where actually they're cutting the cyst and making some continuous margins or something. We'll see what that is. Laryngocele may be associated with carcinoma. Okay. See, this is some marsupialization of some dental procedures. There's a tooth here. They cut it here and here, and they have made it some continuous kind of a thing. So that is marsupialization they are seeing. But if they open it like that, what about air pressure and all that? I'm wondering. Okay, anyways, so let's take a recap. In this video, we started off with laryngocele. It is a congenital lesion of larynx. It was also a benign tumor of larynx. It is an air-filled cyst. And it can be internal, external, or combined. External excision is the treatment. What else? External is compressible. What will be the symptoms? Hoarseness of voice, foreign body sensation. If it is a large obstruction, there can be obstruction of airway. If the person coughs or performs Valsalva, the external laryngosele can increase in size. Diagnosis: X-ray, CT scan, indirect laryngoscopy. Treatment: external neck incision or internal, if it is internal, some laryngoscopy. Okay, should rule out carcinoma also. That's all for now. Bye bye.